Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to create custom crew emblem in GTA 5 online. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get started. So a crew emblem is necessary to stand out in a massively popular game like GTA Online. So as of now, the feature is only accessible to PC players and only to those among them who have a Rockstar Games social club account. So those players can complete the steps that I am going to show you in this video so to create the custom emblem in the game. So let's get on with the steps. So the first thing that you can do here is to open your web browser, so whatever browser that you are using, and then what you need to do after that is to simply type in this link right here into the address bar and simply hit your enter. So I'm just going to put this link in the description down below. So you just check that in there. Then after that, just sign in or create an account that needs an emblem to be created. So after that, hovering over to the cruise section tab. So the cruise tab will reveal a menu, and then click onto the My Cruise option there. So once the next page opens up, click onto the Emblems option and then choose Create Emblem option. After that, open a new tab and navigate to this link right here. And I'm also going to put into the description down below. So a simple search for the GTA 5 emblems will also bring up or bring this link up at the top of the first page. And after selecting a like emblem, click on it and simply hit the copy option. And after that, go back to the social club tab and then simply press Ctrl Shift I on your keyboard. So this will open the developer tools. So this can also be opened using the hamburger menu at the top right corner. So just look for the console tab, enter the copied emblem code from the previous page, and hit enter on your keyboard. So if the emblem doesn't appear on the editor, refresh the page and it should solve the issue. So find and hover over the selected emblem in the list below the editor. So this bring up an option to save the emblem and simply click the save. And after that, just navigate back to the micros page and hover over the emblem to reveal the edit option. So just simply click on it and next click onto the start anew. So to finalize your changes, just click on to the publish button. So players should note that the change will not immediately noticeable, but after a while it will be refreshed with a new custom emblem. And so that's it for this video. Those are the steps that you need to do for you to be able to customize emblem in a GTA 5. So remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.